In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if a transaction has been reconciled in Quickbooks. First, let's open the bank register. From your main navigation, head to Banking and choose Use Register. Then select the specific bank or credit card account you want to review. Picking the correct account matters because reconciliation status is tracked separately for each account. Depending on your layout, this option might appear as View Register under your chart of accounts, but the idea is the same. You're opening the accounts register so you can inspect individual transactions. Next, locate the transaction you're curious about. You can scroll through the register, but it's often faster to narrow things down. Use the search tools available to filter by date, payee, or amount. Sorting by date can help if you know roughly when the transaction happened, and sorting by amount is handy when you have a specific figure in mind. If your register is long, set a tighter date range so you're reviewing fewer lines at once, which makes spotting the right entry much easier. Once you've found the transaction, check the CLR column. This is where QuickBooks shows the transaction status. If you see an R, that means reconciled. The transaction is matched to a statement and locked into a completed reconciliation. A C means cleared. It's been matched to the bank feed or marked as cleared, but it hasn't been included in a finished reconciliation yet. If the field is blank, the transaction hasn't cleared at all. To get a bit more detail, hover your mouse over the entry or open the transaction. You'll see reconciliation status information that can confirm whether it was included in a specific statement. To be absolutely certain, verify using a reconciliation report. Go to Reports, then Banking, and choose Reconciliation Reports. Select the same account and the reconciliation date you want to review. Open that report and look through the cleared or reconciled section to confirm the transaction appears there. If you're reviewing a long list, use your browser's Find feature to search by amount, payee, or reference number, which can save a lot of time. A quick note: avoid changing the CLR status in the register unless you fully understand the impact. Manually toggling statuses can throw off your previously balanced reconciliations. That's it. Open the register, find the transaction, read the CLR column, and, if needed, confirm with the reconciliation report. Follow these steps and you'll always know whether a transaction is truly reconciled.